So guys, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Malia, and today I got why do I always be like this? Like, I don't know. So today I got wow. Okay. So today I got for you guys a new tutorial. I just got my box braids done, if you couldn't tell, and I'm just okay. Yeah, so I just got my box braids done, if you couldn't tell, and I have like this gold string on it, and I know it's winter time, but I just feel like a golden like goddess, you know? So I thought that it would be smart to do like a little golden goddess eye look tutorial or whatever. It's winter time, and this look kind of reminds me of summer, but like it don't matter. It really don't, okay? If you guys didn't watch my last video, go ahead and do that. After you watch this video though, I'm gonna need you to subscribe down below if you like my videos. If you don't, I mean, that's fine, but why do you keep watching my videos? I see you watching every single time, but you don't subscribe. Now I know for a fact I exposed some of y'all. Sorry, didn't mean to call all of you out, but anyway, let's get on with this tutorial. So first things first, I'm just going to moisturize my face. I know I look hella crusty, but y'all do not have to roast me. Boy! Okay, step one completed. So now I'm just gonna quickly do my edges because sometimes my edges, like, they get really crusty because I'm crusty. No, they get really crusty after I do my foundation, and it just looks weird, and like my foundation rubs off, so like I really don't want that to happen today because I need to get my act together. So I will be using this gel as my edge control. Wow, I honestly look bald. And we're done. I really don't feel like doing this on camera. So if you guys want an edge tutorial, edge tutorial, let me know down below, because I can do a separate video on that. I just really don't feel like putting in a lot of footage of me doing that. So I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow and, whoa, why did I say it like that? Dip Brow. I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. Now I'm concealing the brow with LA Girl Pro Concealer and Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Okay, all I did was bring down the concealer onto my eyelid as a base. Now I'm just going to be taking my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Breakaway. Now I'm just going to pack that all over my lid. I just brought you guys closer as I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm going to be taking the shade Riff from the same palette. I'm just going to be putting that right above my crease. Using a fluffy brush, you're just going to blend that in and blend it upwards. And I'm just going to keep blending that up to my brown bone. Next, I'm taking the shade Punk and I'm just going to blend that. I'm taking that shade and I'm just going to blend that into my crease. Okay, so what I did here, I took the shade Punk and I just kept working it in my crease right here. And then I added more of that Riff shade that I used earlier right here. And I just added more of that on top of it and kept blending it upward to my brow bone. And then I just took more of the Punk and I just focused it more on the outer part of my eye. Okay, so before I continue on with the rest of my eyeshadow, I'm gonna do my base, my foundation, and then I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. Okay, now I'm just gonna be using this busted bronzer from NYX. I got it on my shirt. But I'm gonna be using this busted bronzer to warm my face. Okay, back to the eyes. I'm gonna be using my Tarte Clay Pot. I think that's what it's called. And I'm just gonna be taking this angled brush and I'm just gonna be making a wing. If your eyeliner ever looks like crap, for example this, all you have to do is take a wipe or a Q-tip and just clean up the edges. You can also add a bit more concealer to make it really sharp. So for underneath the eye, I wanted to try something different and use this gold shade. And this is the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. Okay, so now I'll just be adding Iman by the same palette. And I'm just going to be putting that in my inner corner. Now I'm going to be using the Anastasia Emerezi highlighter. I'm just using this Drip Cosmetics lip gloss, and after that I'm going to put on my lashes and I'll come back with the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is just a very simple look in my eyes. But yeah, this is my golden goddess look. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you guys liked this. Let me know if you want more tutorials. Leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!